Roadmap to become an embedded systems engineer. What does an embedded systems engineer do? An embedded systems engineer builds software that directly interacts with hardware to power smart devices and systems. Where it's used, embedded systems are everywhere, from smart appliances and wearables to cars, robots, and medical devices. Start with the basics. Understand what embedded systems are, including how hardware and software work together in real-time environments. Learn electronics fundamentals, study components like resistors, sensors, and circuits, and understand how devices communicate using protocols. Master programming. Learn C and C++ to write efficient, low-level code that runs directly on hardware. Work with microcontrollers. Use platforms like Arduino, STM32, and Raspberry Pi to build and test embedded applications. Understand real-time systems. Learn how real-time operating systems manage tasks, timing, and performance in embedded devices. Debug and test systems. Use tools and techniques to test, debug, and simulate hardware and software behavior. Build real projects. Create projects like IoT devices, sensors, or automation systems to gain hands-on experience. Be ready for challenges. Working with limited memory, hardware constraints, and complex debugging can be demanding. Think like an engineer. Focus on efficiency, reliability, and precision while building systems that run in real-world conditions. Power smart devices. Start your journey today and become an embedded systems engineer, building the technology behind modern devices.